Unlocking Understanding, Google's new AI tool simplifies complex text for iPhone users. Have you ever stumbled upon a piece of writing that felt like it was written in a foreign language? Well, Google is here to help. With its exciting new AI feature called Simplify, iPhone users can now easily decode complicated jargon and technical terms right from their Google app. Starting today, this innovative tool is rolling out, and it promises to make your online reading experience much smoother. So, what exactly does Simplify do? Imagine you're reading an article filled with medical terms like emphysema or fibrosis. Instead of getting lost in the complexity, you can simply highlight the text, and with a quick tap on the Simplify icon, you'll receive a clearer, more digestible version of the information, all without leaving the page you're on. This means no more jumping back and forth between tabs to understand what you're reading. Powered by Google's advanced Gemini AI model, Simplify was crafted by Google Research with one goal in mind: to make technical language accessible to everyone. In their testing, users found that the simplified explanations were significantly more helpful than the original complex text. However, Google also noted that while the results are promising, they recognize the need for ongoing monitoring to ensure accuracy and effectiveness. To use this feature, simply open the Google app on your iPhone, highlight any text on a web page, and tap the Simplify icon from the menu that pops up. It's that easy. As for whether this feature will be available for Android and desktop users, Google spokesperson Jennifer Cutts mentioned that there are no announcements yet, but they are always exploring ways to enhance their products. With Simplify, Google is taking a big step towards making information more accessible, ensuring that everyone can understand the content they encounter online. So, the next time you face a wall of jargon, remember that help is just a tap away.